Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 7. Question number 7 is using Euler's formula find the unknowns faces. Here it is given the vertices and edges. Let us find question number 1. Right? Here we have, we'll solve this one. Let us solve this one. Let us solve this one. Number 1 here you see is using using Euler's formula using Euler's formula Euler's formula f plus v is equal to a plus b is equal to or a plus b minus c is equal to 2. A plus b minus c is equal to 2. We'll first use this one, that is number 1. Now here is given that vertices is 6 and edges is 12. Therefore face f plus b, vertices is 6 minus e, edges is 12 minus 12 is equal to 2. Therefore we can write here as f 6 minus 12 is minus 6 is equal to 2, or it can be written as f is equal to 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8. The value of f is 8 here, right? The first one, the value of f or face is 8. Let us write here the value here, that is the value of this face is 8. This is 8, right? We'll complete this one. Again, question number 2. Now question number 2 here you see is question number 2. What is given? It is given that faces is given and edges is given. Let us again apply this formula, that is f plus v minus c is equal to 2 is equal to 2. For second question, faces is given as 5 plus vertex, we have to find vertex, minus edge is 9 and that is equal to 2. Therefore we are getting v 5 minus 9, that is minus 4 is equal to 2, or v, that is vertex, is equal to 2, or v is equal to 2 plus 4, therefore vertex is equal to 6. Vertex is equal to 6. Therefore here the vertices, number of vertices is equal to 6. Therefore we can write here as 6. Number of vertices is equal to 6. We'll find this one, that is question number 3. Here question number 3 is, we'll solve question number 3. Here it is using Euler's formula, that is f plus b minus e is equal to 2. Here see face is given as 20. Faces is 20 plus vertex is 12. Vertices is 12 minus e is equal to 2 or equal to 2 or 12 plus 20 plus 12, that is 32 minus e is equal to 2, or it can be written as age is equal to 32 minus 2 is equal to 32 minus 2, and that comes to 30. Therefore, the number edges for this case is 30, right? Therefore, here the number of edges will be 30. Here the number of edges will be 30, right? Let's find. Therefore, the number of edges here is 30. Therefore, this is 30. Right? We have completed this one. We will use the formula, Euler's formula as f plus b minus c is equal to 2. And for first case, we get the first number of faces is 8. In the second case, number of vertices is 6. In third case, number of edges is 30. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.